Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go ahead and put the glass back in on our Mazda 3 here. We have our window regulator and window right here at this point. This is where the two bolts go in to hold the window on, and there's some access covers to go on there. So we're going to put the window in and we're going to put the door cover back on, or door panel on. So to get the window, we're going to grab the window to put it in. Here's the window, and now when you're putting windows in, best is you want to kind of angle the right down, get it through there. Kind of work your way through this weather stripping. Came out easier, but that you can just pull the weather stripping up a little bit so you don't bung it up. So you put the window down at an angle, and then if you rock it towards you, you can get it on this regulator bar, kind of holds it out of its way, and now we can just slide it down. Kind of adjust it so it lines up in the holes there. And now put those two bolts back in. And then once those are put back in, you can go ahead and snap these covers back on. Just like that. And so that's how you put your window back in on your Mazda 3. Everything's tightened up, and we'll be good to put the door panel on here very shortly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.